crazy rules Elon Musk forces his children to follow. The CEO of SpaceX and Tesla is also notable for being the wealthiest man in the world. Being a gifted person, Musk always has a nagging mindset for putting his personal flair into everything he does. It doesn't matter whether you adore him or dislike him, you have to acknowledge that this man has unique characteristics in leading his life. Musk has set his own set of strict parenting rules, many of which were invented by himself. Elon Musk never stuck to conventional ways just like that. The unique characteristic also applies to his parenting style. Musk has twins, Xavier and Griffin, 18, and triplets, Saxon, Damien, and Kai, 16, with his ex-wife Justine. Their first son died, who was named after Nevada Alexander, after just 70 days from sudden infant death syndrome. Musk and his ex-girlfriend Grimes also have a son, XA12. Yes, I know what you're thinking. That's his name. He turns 2 on May 4, and a daughter, Exa Dark Sideral, born in December 2021. As the 7 children are from one of the richest families in the world, they are anticipated to follow some certain rules invented by Elon Musk himself. Here are the 9 crazy rules that Musk makes his children follow. 1. Musk child X is expected to be his protege. Musk's girlfriend Grimes states X is out there. I think Elon, is really seeing him as a protege, as he is bringing him to everything. His situation is like that. Though Musk says he doesn't interfere much when it comes to raising the kids until they are older, Grimes disclosed that he may have broken the rule for their son X. We have seen snippets of X in previous years, while Musk has always attempted to keep his older children out of the spotlight. What does this indicate? Musk's son X will most certainly be his protege. 2. Musk's son isn't allowed to call his ex-girlfriend, Grimes, mom. Musk and his ex-girlfriend Grimes have a 1-year-old son, X. Strangely enough, X doesn't call his mother mom or any other synonyms for this word. Rather, X calls his mother by her first name, Claire. Grimes gave a justification that her son does this because he has such a sensitive intuition, and he can sense the lack of preference to be called mom. She also stated that she is fond of motherhood, but it troubles her when X calls her mom. She just can't connect with it. 3. Elon Musk thinks that the internet is enough to educate his children. Musk's approach to education is very untraditional. Musk's intentions were clear from his interviews that Musk believes his kids have been taught more from the internet than anywhere else. The billionaire states, "My observation is that my children mostly learn from YouTube and Reddit." Musk denounced traditional education in the past. He stated that employees don't require a college degree to work efficiently at Tesla. He also thinks colleges are mostly about giving out homework and having fun, but not learning. 4. Musk's children read more than they play video games. Musk's love for video games in his childhood assisted him in developing a passion for programming, and it also helped him a lot in his career. His kids are also naturally keen video game players. Musk does support his children in getting involved in things they prefer, but there's a strict rule regarding playing time. In an interview with Ashley Vance for Musk's biography, the multi-billionaire states that kids need to spend more time reading than playing video games. 5. Elon Musk wants his children to work hard. Musk himself had to face many challenging situations in his early adulthood. He has to move from his native country South Africa to Canada at the age of 17 without his parents' support. At the age of 15, he also got bullied in school. Believing that those were difficult times, Musk believes those aided him in becoming the person he is today. Musk believes his children must also face the same kind of hardships in their life. "I had a terrible upbringing," he stated at an award ceremony in 2011. "I faced a lot of challenges in my life. One thing I worry about my children is that they don't face difficulties." 6. The Musk children are very health conscious. It seems that Musk uplifts his family members to eat healthily. A TikTok video unveiling that a babysitter once cared for Musk's triplets while they were spending time with a friend. The kids were very health conscious. The babysitter said they had gone to Whole Foods for dinner. Even at such an early age, these kids were very worried about their health. They said, "No, let's go to Whole Foods," when the babysitter was anticipating something like Johnny Rockets. She was also awed by their manner and reported them as well-behaved. Therefore, it appears manners are also a crucial practice in the Musk family. 7. Elon Musk's children go to the school he opened. Just like a dissenter, Elon Musk had his vision of conventional education. He built a school where students are taught the way he thinks kids should be. His children are also admitted to that school. Musk stated that in 2014, he had established the Southern California school Ad Astra, which means to the stars in Latin. In an interview with Chinese television that was later removed, he gave further details about the institution. In an interview, he explained that the traditional grading structure is not adapted in his school. Students are educated with more emphasis on problem solving and critical thinking. Musk said he loathed going to school, but the kids like attending the school regularly that he founded. 8. Elon Musk doesn't play an active role in his children's life while they are young. The billionaire disclosed in 2020 that he doesn't have a major role in raising his children when they are babies. Now that Musk's older kids are in their teens, they can expect to see him around much more than they did when they were younger. There is not much I can do now. Grimes has a lot to play now. Musk states to the New York Times, "There will be more of a role for me when the children get older. I'm doing what I do with my other children." 9. Children must be prepared to travel a lot. In an interview, Musk mentioned that for his older sons, being his child signifies flying a lot. For example, if I go on a Tesla trip to China, I will take my kids with me. We will go to see the Great Wall of China, or we will take the bullet train from Beijing to Xi'an and see the Terracotta Warriors, Musk clarifies.